Today we'll fix TaskManager when it won't open or opens blank. I'll show 2 proven advanced methods. Follow exactly. Pause when needed and you'll see results by the end. We start by running a safe, one-time repair script in an elevated terminal. This resets the TaskManager policy, clears its broken preferences, and rebuilds performance counters and WMI links. Press Win+X, click Windows Terminal, Admin. If you see command prompt admin, that's fine. Click Yes on UAC. Now, copy everything from the description, paste into the terminal, and press Enter. If a line says, the system was unable to find the specified registry value, that's okay. It just means that value wasn't set. After this run, TaskManager should open normally with tabs visible and live data flowing. TaskManager opens, processes tab populated, CPU and memory graphs updating. If it now works, you're done. If it still won't open or shows a blank pane, go to Method 2. Stay in the same Windows terminal, Admin window. Run this command after it reaches 100%. Then paste this command on display. That's it. Like and subscribe.